Afternoon, my name is Ronnie Conway. I'm the solicitor advocate and principal lawyer at Conway Accident Law Practice. And I have with me today Mr. Steven Pettigrew. Now, Steven is a client of ours. He had the misfortune to be involved in a lifting and handling workplace accident in October 2015. And Steven didn't instruct us originally. Steven, tell me how it was that you came to select your original lawyers.
I found them through social media initially.
And what kind of level of service did you get from them?
Very poor to say the least.
Did they respond to your contacts?
No.
How did you try to get in touch with them?
Well, I tried various phone calls, various emails, and then eventually I had to contact the Law Society to try and see where I could go next.
And how many phone calls do you think you made to them?
Certainly three figures.
Three figures?
Yes,
right.
certainly.
And no adequate
Nothing
response. At all. And I think you contacted the Conway Accident Law Practice. Why was it that you came to us?
It was a family member that recommended.
And I think I can say to you, Steven, you may not know, but legal proceedings had been raised for you at that point, although they were at a very early stage. First of all, did you get the same level of responsiveness from Conway Accident Law Practice as your previous lawyers, or was it different?
Oh, it was totally different. It's the very professional service I've had since start to finish.
I think we kind of pride ourselves on our level of response, and it's either same day or next day. Was that your experience?
Definitely. As my case progressed, I was always kept up to date, and on the back of getting kept, whether it was a phone call, I then received a letter to back that up.
Okay. And did your case settle out of court, or did you have to raise your right hand and give evidence?
No, it was settled out of court.
And did you feel, I'm not going to ask you about the details of the settlement, but did you feel that you got a fair deal out of the legal system?
Yes, I did. I thought it went well and got exactly what I thought I was entitled to.
Okay. Thank you, Stephen. I just want to say to people out there that the choice of lawyer is absolutely critical. We are not the only good lawyers in Scotland, and I would not like to be held out to pretend that. But there are fewer specialists than you think. And if you simply do a Google search, you might not find them. One key issue that you should bear in mind is the lawyer a member of the Association of Personal Injury Lawyers? Because if they are, that means they're kept up to date, they're in contact with other lawyers who only act for claimants. So if they're not a member of the Association of Personal Injury Lawyers, that is a red flag. The other thing I want to say is we were able to sort matters out for Stephen. The court proceedings were at a very early stage. We get a lot of people who, for one reason or another, are not happy with their lawyers and want us to take the case on. Very frequently, we have to say to them, we can't do it because matters have progressed just too far. And there are some things that we just can't fix, or it would be so complicated and time consuming to fix that it would be unfair on the existing clients who have contacted us from the start. So I would say to anyone out there, if you've been affected by any of the issues here, get in touch with us as soon as possible. We're here, we're ready to listen. Thank you, Stephen.